Alright, let's see if I can get these dishes washed before juggling practice. Wait. What is that stench? Oh my gosh, this drain smells foul. Ugh. Luckily, I have the perfect solution. All I need is a measuring cup, baking soda, white vinegar, an old rag, boiling water, ice, and a lemon. First, I'm pouring the baking soda into the drain, immediately followed by the vinegar. Then I'm using the old rag to plug the drain so the vinegar and baking soda can get to work. Now I'm removing the rag and pouring the boiling water down the drain. Next, I'm adding some pieces of ice and using the garbage disposal to grind them up, dislodging any pieces of food that might be stuck in there. To finish it all off, I'm grinding a few lemon slices for a fresh scent and wiping the area clean. And that's it. As good as new. If you like this tutorial, there's a lot more where that came from. Just head on over to ehow.com and make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go. See you guys in the next video.